Hello, welcome to my channel. We have been solving this past papers. This is mathematics paper 1, pure math 1, and it is October, November 2024. So we have already done, I believe, 6 questions. So we have to do the question number 7 right now. You can check the my other videos to find the solution of the other question. Okay, so this is question number 7. Okay, you see this curve, this one, okay, it is given by this expression. Okay, and this point A has this coordinate. When x is 7 by 2, y is 6. Let's confirm this thing. What's the value of y when x, this is the cubic root of 2x. So 2 times x is 7 by 2 plus 1. So you can see this becomes 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 cubic root is 2, and 12 over 2 is 6. So yes, when x is 7 by 2, y is 6. So the coordinates of this point A is 7 by 2 and 6. Okay. Okay. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve at this point A. Okay. So if you want to find the tangent line, tangent to this given curve, you have to find the slope of the curve at this point. Okay. How do you find the slope? By differentiating this equation. You see y is equal to, I can write it as 12 and 2x plus 1 power 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3. Right? So dy by dx would be 12 and minus 1 by 3 and 2x plus 1 power minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is going to be minus 4 by 3. And the derivative of this one is 2. So I can simplify it as minus 4. This is going to be 8. Okay. And then 2x plus 1 power minus 4 by 3. So this is the derivative. Okay, now I want to find the value of this derivative divided by dx when x is 7 by 2, right? I want to find the slope at the point that x is 7 by 2 at this point. So I will just replace 7 by 2 in this equation. So minus 8 into 2 times 7 by 2 plus 1 in power minus 4 by 3. You can see this is going to be 7 plus 1, 4. 4's cubic root is sorry, 7 plus 1, 8, right? 8's cubic root is 2, and 2 to the power 4 is 16. Okay, so this is going to be minus 8 in the numerator and 16 power minus 1. Okay. It is 16 here. So it's going to be negative 1 by 2. So the slope of this curve at this particular point is negative half. So now you have to find the equation of a straight line whose slope is this, and it is passing through this point, right? So we use this expression y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So x1, y1 is this point, and m is the slope. So it's very straightforward. Y minus y1 is 6, m is half, x minus x1 is 7 by 2, right? So we have to write this equation of straight line in the standard form, y equal to x plus c. So it is even more simple. Y, let me see, minus 6 equals, this will become minus half x, minus minus plus, and this is 7 by 4. So y is equal to minus half x plus 7 by 4 and plus 6. So you see 7 by 4 plus 6 by 1, it's going to be 4, 7 plus 24, and this would become minus half x, and these two added together will become 31 over 4. Okay, so this is the equation of the tangent line at this particular point. I hope this is all clear. Okay, now let's move to question part B. We have to find the, let me state it quickly here. We have this curve, and at this point, this is 7 by 2, and the point, the coordinate coordinates of the point is 7 by 2 and 6. So we have to find this area, right? So what we will do, we will take the equation of this curve, which was 12 over cubic root 2x plus 1, right? And I will integrate it from 0 to 7 by 2 dx. So this will give me the total area. Okay, I hope it's all clear. So let's try to integrate this function. This is going to be 12 outside. And this I can write as 2x plus 1 and power minus 1 by 3. Am I right? And the derivative of this is 2. So I put 2 here and 2 here. And dx 0 to 7 by 2. I hope you follow all of my steps here. Okay, so this will become 6. And the integral of this would be 2x plus 1. And its complete derivative there, so power plus 1. So minus 1 by 3 plus 1 would be 2 by 3. And divided by 2 by 3. I hope it's clear. And the limits are from 0 to 7 by 2. Okay, so when I take it outside, it will 6 times 3 is 18, over 2 is 9. And when I put the upper limit, it will become 2 times 7 by 2 plus 1. And it has a power of 2 by 3. Minus when I put a 0, lower limit 0, it will become 1 power 2 by 3. So it is 9. And it is 3 plus 1, 4. Right? So, sorry, this is 7. I'm sorry. So 2 cancel. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 cubic root is 2. 2 square is 4. And minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 times 9 is 27. So this is our final answer. I hope you understand everything, all the steps and the logic and philosophy behind all the steps. I hope you know them all. If you have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, if they are helpful, useful to you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.